Good morning. I thought it would be kind of fun to do a studio type vlog today. So I am just gonna take you guys along with me if I can get this angle right. There we go. Today I am making wholesale stickers. I have an order for 200 stickers and I have 180, so I need 20 more stickers. I also am going to be bagging them. This is my packaging for my wholesale. When I do these specific stickers, I have a little bit of extra room, so I throw some minis on there, and that's what these guys are here. And yeah, I printed a whole bunch of tent cards, so I need to score them in the middle so that they are nice to go around the bags. And I just thought that maybe you would enjoy watching the process. So I need to print 2 more sheets of these stickers. So I'm going to fire up the computer and get the Cricut going. So yeah, that is my day today. So then I take one of my tent cards and I fold it in half. Then I take my bag of stickers and I'm gonna fold the top back a little bit. And then I'm going to lay it flat, take my bone folder and just crease that bag so that I get a nice sharp edge, folded edge right here. And then I take my tent card facing me, I just put it over the top, and I try and get that bag all the way up in that crease line there, like that. And I take my stapler, and I put one staple down at the bottom, just like that. And there is a bag of wholesale stickers. There's 50 in here. I have my information on the back. So then I just like to write the quantity on there. So I take just a Sharpie. This is a ultra fine point. And then on the back of these, on the tent card, I will write the quantity. And there's 50. So just simple, basic, just like that, so that the recipient knows how many come in a bag. And they ordered 200 stickers, so I have to do this 3 more times. So let's do it. Sometimes stickers just aren't going to come out right. You can see these, the paper didn't cut through all the way. So I've got some cleaning up to do, and also the edges are a little rough. I don't know if you can see the top by the words, but they are looking a little rough. So sometimes I will take some scissors and I will just cut around the whole thing. Other times I can get away with using my bone folder to kind of smooth out those jagged edges. And it's just from the blade dragging across the material. That can happen for a number of reasons. It could be that my blade is too dull. It could be that I'm cutting on too much pressure. It could be that my mat needs to be changed out. It could be that I just don't have my settings quite right. There are so many different reasons why your cuts might not be working well. So the best thing that I can tell you is just test, test, test. You have to troubleshoot, you have to put in the work, you have to put in, unfortunately, the wasted materials. And if you can do it in a way that you don't have to have that waste, that's always a bonus, right? Well, I found that a lot of people really like misfit stickers. And by misfit stickers, I mean stickers with imperfections, second run production items, things that aren't quite cut right, or the sticker will still function just fine, but maybe the edges just don't look quite as good. And most of the time it's just the backing that doesn't work very well. Usually the sticker is really nice. So you're not necessarily wasting products by testing what you're doing if you have a good enough product that you can sell as a second or as a mystery misfit sticker pack. You can see that in my shop. So there are a number of ways that you can reduce your waste when you are trying to test your products to make sure that they're going to come out the way that you want them to. And if the stickers are great, like there's nothing wrong with them except for maybe a couple rough edges here and there, and maybe the backing didn't cut all the way through, do what I'm doing. I'm just simply, the stickers are still perfectly good. There's nothing wrong with them at all. I'm just kind of quality control, quality checking my work. And if I can smooth it out with my bone folder, or if I can just trim away an edge that just didn't cut quite right, it's a perfectly good sticker, and that is absolutely fine. It will still function exactly the same for the customer. A pretty decent fresh blade, so I don't think that that is really the reason. And I have changed my print settings. As your blade starts to dull, if you're using the Cricut, I have the Silhouette and the Cricut, but today I'm using the Cricut for my stickers. As your blade starts to dull, you can change the pressure settings. So there's a more, default, and less. And right now I have it set to more. And if it's still not cutting quite right, maybe it's time to change the blade. And the blade will wear out in different intervals depending on the materials you're cutting. So if you're cutting something super thick, like I have these weatherproof matte sheets from Online Labels, and then I also go over it, I add a sheet of Origuard 210 to the top. This is a clear laminate from Oracal, and I just find that it gives my stickers a really nice finish. They're not glossy, but they're not matte dull either. They do have a slight sheen to them. These stickers are water resistant and weatherproof, so they are going to last a long time, especially being sealed with the laminate. So because I am cutting through a thicker material and I have cut quite a bit, I think I'm going to try to switch out my blade and see if I get better results that way. This is the last sheet I have for this order, but I do have another order that I need to get going today, so I'm going to have to play around a little bit. And sometimes it's a bonus for the customers, because if I have a whole bunch of stickers of a specific design that's specific to a customer, maybe it's their logo or maybe it has words on it that they requested, I can't use those. I can't sell them. I can't give them away because it's not relevant to my customer. So I usually just package them up in a little oopsie bag or a seconds bag, something like that, and I just give those to the customer as a freebie, because I'm not going to throw away a perfectly good sticker even if it has minor imperfections. Maybe they can use it for something. So let's change the blade, try that, and we'll go from there. so I'm gonna go ahead and change this blade. So I'm just going to open up the tooling holder and pull out my cartridge. And to get the blade out, I'm just going to click on this, and very carefully, so you don't cut yourself, I'm going to pull the blade out. And first of all, I'm going to inspect it. It does have a little bit of gunk on here. It's still pretty sharp, so I think if I just clean this off, I should be good to go. Something I found to be really helpful is essential oil. This is lemon, and it really does a good job getting gunk off of things, like on the blades or on my cold cups when I'm using vinyl and the transfer tape leaves a little residue. Lemon essential oil has been a lifesaver. I'm just going to dab a little tiny bit onto this napkin, and then I'm just going to clean my blade to get that gunk off. Because this is a pretty fresh blade, and although I have cut quite a bit with it, I just don't feel like its time has come yet. So I'm just gonna clean that off, and that looks pretty good. So let's give that a whirl and see how it does. I'm gonna put it back into the cartridge. I'm just going to press on the top, drop the blade in the hole, and let go of the bottom, and it sucks it in. So now I can put it back in and close it up and load my sticker paper. All right, so let's see how that worked. And the sticker paper I use has the slits in the back. It doesn't get every single sticker, but it does help quite a bit when I am trying to peel the backing off the stickers. And I think that my customers appreciate that some of them are easier to peel as well. So I'm still having similar issues. It's a little better, but it's not fixed. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have to go ahead and replace the blade when I get ready to go do my new stickers. And that's it. That's how I make my wholesale stickers. I'm also showing you how I package them here. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!